summertime, and that means Winston-Salem pools and splash pads are officially open. With around 85 lifeguards on call, the city of Winston-Salem is fully staffed and ready to go. But no one is as excited as Aquatic Supervisor Heather Candelora.
This is the most exciting time of the year because when the pool's open, that means it's time for some summer fun.
A new program this year has started called Senior Water Fitness. The class will be held at Bolton Pool Monday through Thursday at 11 a.m. Entry to the pools is $3 for adults and $2 for children, cash only, and everyone must wear a swimsuit.
I just want everyone to come out, catch some rays, and enjoy the pools and splash pads.
For pool hours and locations, please visit www.weplay.ws or give CityLink a call at 311.